Inside this massive facility, the legendary C-130 Hercules takes shape.
This sprawling complex is where the legendary C-130 Hercules transport planes are built, maintaining a constant state of readiness.
The C-scan shows a minor inclusion at grid reference gamma 7.
Yes, but the amplitude is within tolerance for this billet size.
The C-scan shows a minor inclusion at grid reference gamma 7.
Yes, but the amplitude is within tolerance for this billet size.
The stretch forming process utilizes massive hydraulic presses to shape large aluminum panels, ensuring a precise curve for the nose section.
Vacuum pressure stable at 25. Good. Let's get this loaded onto the trolley.
The laser confirms it's within tolerance. Excellent. Let's get this to the assembly area.
That's the locking pin set.
Confirmed. Let's test the range of motion.
The forward and mid-fuselage sections align with pinpoint accuracy, guided by laser precision. The forward and mid-fuselage sections align with pinpoint accuracy, guided by laser precision.
We're aligned. Start the sequence on the forward bolts.
Roger that.
Ensure the torque is calibrated correctly.
Okay, that's torque to spec. Verified. Moving to the next clamp.
Crane control, lower 5 centimeters.
Roger, lowering now.
Alignment looks good on grid 3.
Full left deflection achieved. Clear to center.
Range of motion looks nominal. I'm logging the results.
Okay, lower it another inch, very slow. We're clear on the starboard side.
Copy that, coming down slowly. Alignment looks perfect.
Bring it 5 millimeters to the left. Copy that, moving left slowly. Alignment looks good on this side.
The mechanics use pneumatic nut runners to secure the lug nuts in a precise star pattern, ensuring the aircraft can support its own weight.
Initiating the left pivot sequence now. Check the pressure readings.
Pressure is stable. The movement is smooth.
Check the tension on zone 4.
Reading 900 pounds, applying the safety wire now.
Connectors are secure. Go ahead and initiate the power sequence.
Power stabilizing. Looks good.
Watch the clearance on the left. Okay, bringing it up now, looks good.
Okay, next blanket coming through.
Securing the top fasteners now.
Check the alignment on row 4. Looks good, spins freely.
Okay, bringing it in now. Clear.
Check the compression.
Gauge reads nominal. Seal is good.
With intense focus, the engine's mounting bolts are aligned with the vibration isolators using guide pins, ensuring...
Okay, engage the hydraulic wrench.
Torquing now, holding steady at 5,000.
All right, disengage the tool. Let's check the rotation.
The sweep is clean.
Confirmed. Solid return on the hangar structure.
こちら501じゃ左側内部、問題ありませんね。データ更新しましたね。
Steady pull. Watch the wing clearance coming up on the door now. Stopping on the line.
Chocks in and secure, ground cable attached. We are good to go for engine start.
The successful first start of the auxiliary power unit signals the aircraft's full self-sufficiency as it takes on the electrical load.
Okay, we're aligned on 360. What's the variation?
Reading 358, 2 degrees east, noted. Fuel quantity indicating 40,000 pounds and rising.
Checked. Pressure holding steady at the manifold.
Brakes applied at 30 knots. Decel feels good. Anti-skid engaged. We are checking temps now, proceeding with run 2.
Propellers and landing gear checked. No issues found.
Ailerons secure. Flight plan synced. We are clear for takeoff.
Hydraulic pumps auto. APU bleed closed.
Confirmed. Checklist complete.
The Hercules taxes out for its maiden flight, a testament to engineering and endurance.
Extending flaps to 15 degrees.
Pressure is stable. All indications green.
Vibration damping is fully engaged. We are stable.
Confirmed. Data holds steady in the green zone.
Airflow check complete. Patterns are stable. Turbulence nominal. We are green for deployment.
The approach felt solid. All systems green on the cockpit side.
We're seeing the same here. Data confirms engine temps are within spec.
To prove this, we've ensured every detail, including the engine nacelles and the high-fidelity paint application, meets your requirements.
Congratulations, General.
Thank you. It's a magnificent aircraft. We are very pleased with the work. All green back here, Loadmaster.
Roger that. Final weight and balance uploaded.
Ground clear, removing power now.
Roger. Confirmed independent power engaged. Good to go.
All engines stabilized. Chief, clear to taxi for delivery. Have a safe flight.
Jocks engaged. Welcome to the base. Thank you. We copy. The aircraft is yours.
The build quality here is absolutely flawless. Best we've seen.
We appreciate that. The avionics integration is superb.
This turbine blade here, specifically the leading edge, is the primary point of failure if the bypass gets obstructed.